Did you know that every year have one crisis that took people's life without us noticing? Global warming stresses ecosystem through temperature rises, water shortage, increased fire threats, drought, weed and pest invasions, intense storm damage and soil invasion, just to name a few. Why I want to talk about this? It is because I have seen a lot of global warming movies or documentaries such as the tsunami that happened in 2004, which is at Aceh, Indonesia. I was amazed with this global warming that had impacted the country, which is ice melt, social effects, and extreme weather. The first impact of global warming is ice melt. According to the August 12, 2017 Alina Bradford written on the website, one of the primary manifestations of climate change so far is ice melt. North America, Europe, and Asia have seen a trend toward less snow cover between 1960 and 2015. According to 2016 research published in the journal Current Climate Change Reports, ice melt is generally applied in advance of snow or ice, or applied on the top of the already formed ice and snow. According to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, that is now 10% less permafrost or permanently frozen ground in the northern hemisphere than there was in the early 90s. One of the most dramatic effects of global warming is the reduction in Arctic sea ice. Sea ice hit record low extents in both the fall and winter of 2015 and 2016, meaning that at the time when the ice is supposed to be at its peak, it was lagging. The melt means there is less thick sea ice that persists for multiple years. I have explained about the ice melt. Next, we will see another impact of global warming through social effects. Let's see. The second impact of global warming is social effects. As dramatic as the effects of climate change are expected to be on the natural world, the projected changes to human society may be even more devastating. Agricultural system will likely be dealt a crippling blow, though growing season in some areas will expand. The combined impacts of drought, severe weather, lack of accumulated snowmelt, greater number and diversity of pests, lower groundwater tables, and a loss of arable and land could cause severe crop failures and livestock shortage worldwide. According to the Barat Rush, the climate change referred to may be due to natural causes, for example, change in the sun's output, or due to human activities. Another example is changing the composition of the atmosphere. Any human-induced change in climate will occur against the background of natural climatic variations. North Carolina State University also notes that carbon dioxide is affecting plant growth. We already heard about ice melt and social effects. Now let's move on to the next point. I will focus this point about extreme weather. The impact of global warming is extreme weather events. On March 11, 2016, Amanda Macmillan wrote in the website, scientists agree that the Earth's rising temperatures are fueling longer and hotter heat waves, more frequent droughts, heavier rainfall, and more powerful hurricanes. In 2015, for example, scientists said that an ongoing drought in California, the state's worst water shortage in 1,200 years, had been intensified by 15% to 20% by global warming. Climate is by definition the long-term average of weather. Over many years, one cold or warm year or season has little to do with overall climate. Global warming may also lead to extreme weather other than cold or heat extremes. For example, hurricane formations will change, such as Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. This means that hurricanes could become overall more destructive. I hope that you know something from my speech as your knowledge. The three impacts of global warming are ice melt, social effects, and extreme weather events. Let me end by saying that I have shared with you several impacts of global warming. In fact, with me explaining about the impact, we can increase our inner awareness together. Thank you.